Hi there, I'm Jess, Senior Curriculum Specialist here at Everyday Speech. I'm here to show you how to save time and streamline your planning, starting with the homepage and student and group profiles. So, whether you're a click around and figure it out type, guilty, or someone who actually reads the instructions, I've got you covered. This is your homepage, your personal launchpad for everything. At the top, you've got your upcoming sessions. If you have those scheduled, they'll be front and center, and if not, now's a great time to start. Below that, you'll find Explore Materials. This is where we highlight videos, games, and activities based on what's trending or newly released. It's a great way to discover fresh new content that you might not have otherwise searched for. Further down, we have our Everyday Speech playlists. These are often organized by seasonal themes and are curated collections and materials designed to make your planning easier. And at the bottom, your recently viewed materials, because sometimes you just need to find that thing you were looking at yesterday. Now let's talk about student and group profiles, the feature that will make your life so much easier. You can head up to My Toolkit, Students and Groups, and here's what you can do. You can create a student profile by clicking New Student, typing in the name, and then you can make a new group by going to New Group, selecting the students that will be in that group, and you can stay organized and keep track of everything. So why bother setting this up? Because now, when you assign materials, track progress, or plan sessions, everything is tied to the correct student or group. You can click into any profile and you'll see the viewing history, so you know what they've worked on and can figure out exactly where to get started on your next session. For select activities, you can also see progress tracking for those data-driven moments like IEP meetings and parent-teacher conferences. And the best part is when you mark a video or activity seen for a group, it also logs for each of the individual students, so you don't have to do that manually. Additionally, if your students are transitioning to a new school or case manager next year, printing and sharing their profiles is going to provide a clear snapshot of their progress, helping the next team pick up where you left off and plan their next steps effectively. Student and group profiles also play a key role in session planning on the platform, so stay tuned as we'll be diving into that in another video. So there you have it, a tour of your homepage and how to set up student and group profiles. Set these up now and I promise your future self will thank you. Happy teaching!